Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to free up space on your phone by deleting the data from TikTok. So obviously this is on Android, so this will be helpful if you have an Android phone. You have to go to the apps, then apps again. Here you have to find TikTok. It's here. As you can see, it has 6.4 gigabytes, which is huge. It shouldn't use this much space. So here you can see data, so you don't have to delete or uninstall your application. You just go here to storage and clear data, and this way we just got 6 gigabytes free. It can take some time, yeah. So now TikTok uses only 200 megabytes, which is a lot less. I hope this helps. Check out this playlist for more videos, and please subscribe if you find this helpful. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful day.